There you go. Did it
There
come?
you go.
Hey, look at that!
And those got me interested on trying to break some bottles. All you need is a beer bottle and a water in it. Actually, I have tried breaking the bottle many times with just my bare hand slapping on its top. However, little did I know, it was really hard to do in my part. Therefore, I went to a hardware store and bought a rubber mallet to be used to strike on its top. However, the only available mallet was the large one. Fair enough. And I also bought a beer to be used in the experiment later. Okay, I got some visitors here. What's your name?
Jomar.
Jomar. Hello, Jomar. What's your name? Kit Kit. Okay, I'm here with Jomar and Kit Kit, and they will be witnessing how I'm gonna break some bottles. Okay, now let's break some bottles. One more. Almost there. 1, 2.
Oh!
Oh no! Have you figured out why the bottom of the bottle drops out when you slap on its top? Is it because of this or this? You know what? Some researchers recorded bottle breaking tricks using high-speed cameras before, during, and after the bottle breaks. Their video showed that striking the bottle does not instantly destroy it, but instead the impact that causes the bottle to speed downward. Interesting. When the fluid or water accelerates from one area to another, it leaves a gap where it was an area of lower pressure. The differences in acceleration that different parts of the bottle experience mean that the liquid at the bottom of the bottle is under less pressure than elsewhere within the bottle. If the acceleration experienced by the bottle is great enough, the reduced pressure causes some of the water at the bottom to vaporize. A drop in pressure can make liquid vaporize if the temperature remains the same. Vaporized liquid turns into bubbles. The process known as cavitation, since heating the bottle accelerates it only briefly. The pressure at the bottom of the bottle quickly returns to normal. Thus, the bubbles collapse faster than they were primarily formed. And these reactions ultimately crack the bottom of the bottle. Okay, to prove that air pressure is not the one that's causing the bottle to break, we have to cover the bottle. But why water? I'm glad you asked.
Oh!
It just fizzes. This breaking effect does not work with fizzy water or carbonated drink because it already has bubbles in it. Though slapping a bottle filled with such carbonated fluid will cause bubbles to form, these bubbles are filled up with carbon dioxide and just float away instead of collapsing at the bottom of the bottle. I must say that the demonstration I did earlier was so simple and yet kind of risky because I might have sliced my hand if I have accidentally squeezed the bottle too tightly. I had a number of attempts and errors, but I have realized at the end of the day, these errors were actually part of a process that will refine my own skill, just like what God wants us to learn. In all of the hardships or difficulties in life we're experiencing right now, just bear in mind that these are just part of the process that will make us a better person. By the way, I would like to thank Andrew Applepie for allowing me to use his music for my YouTube videos. He is based in Germany and loves creating songs with everything he gets his hands on. I asked him, can I use your music as background for my YouTube videos? And he said, sounds good. He produces good music and you can check his links in the description. Thank you for joining me here as we all learn together. Stay safe, stay curious. I'm making YouTube video. Yeah, I'm doing some experiments. Yeah,
Experiment?
Yes, experiment. You come here, Danny. You can see yourself on YouTube.
No.
Yes.
Why?
Here. Say ciao.
Hello, hi.
Hi.
Kumusta?
Kumusta? He's Danny. Okay, Danny. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here now is I'm going to break some bottles. Yeah, bottle. It's an
But inside the
experiment.
water?
Yes.
Or alcohol?
Inside. Okay, it's a water.
Water.
Yeah, that's a water. I tried breaking a bottle using beer, but it doesn't break because it has a science explanation behind it. Yeah. My experiment has science explanations. Okay. Oh yeah, hey, woo! I broke it. I broke it.
Ang dami na namin nababasag.